Get current date and time with milliseconds in Excel. Hi, this is ExtendOffice. You might know that you can press Ctrl and semicolon to get the current date, and press Ctrl and Shift and semicolon to get the current time. However, as you can see here, the time you get with the method only contains hours and minutes even if you add seconds to the result, and the date and time have to be in 2 cells. In this tutorial, we will talk about how to insert the current date and time with milliseconds easily. You will just need to select a cell, and click, and select and click. First, press Alt and F11 to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Click Insert, Module, then copy, and paste the VBA code from the article to the window. I've already copied. Note that this is the format you will apply. If you need to apply a different date and time format, you can just change the code here. For example, change it to DMYYYY and change the cell value to now parentheses if you only want a date, and have day before month. Once you're finished, close the VBA window and go back to your worksheet. Click on Insert, Shapes, and then insert a shape you like in the worksheet. Double-click on the shape to add text to it. So here I will type date and time stamp. You can change the shape styles on this tab here. Do whatever you want, like changing shape style, word style, etc. If you want to change the font size, for example, you can go to the Home tab and click here. You can do what you always do to the font style, like aligning it the way you want, or change its color. Now right-click on the shape, and select Assign Macro from the drop-down menu, and select Timestamp EO in the macro name list. You can decide where to apply the macro here. I will select this workbook, and then click OK. Now you just need to select a cell in which you will insert the current date and time with milliseconds, and then click on the shape. The date and time is inserted at once. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.